Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create pop-ups in Divi using a plugin. There are different types of pop-up plugins available for Divi, but I found this one easy to use. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and then Add New. In the search box, input pop-ups for Divi, then it will show you a list of pop-up plugins. Choose the one developed by DiviMode.com. Click Install Now. And then activate. Next, go to the page that you want to apply the pop-up. I'll use the landing page from my previous video for this demonstration. Enable the Visual Builder. Insert a new regular section. Then choose what type of row that you want to use depending on your design. In this demo we will just use a text module. Next, open your section settings, then navigate to the Pop-up tab. Open the General section and enable that this is a pop-up. Input an ID in the Pop-up ID field. I suggest making all characters lowercase without spaces. There are different options for your pop-up. Under Behavior, there are Close on Background Click, Close Other Pop-ups, and Enable Exit Intent. In the Close Button section, you can choose if you want to show or hide the close button. You may also choose the button color and background transparency. Then there is a Layout section where you can adjust some minor layout effects. And last is the Visibility section, which is similar to the Divi visibility effect, where you can choose what device you want to enable or disable the pop-up. Moving forward, save your settings by clicking on the green button with the check icon. Now, choose a button, image, or any element on your Divi page where you want to apply the pop-up. In this demo, we will use the Watch Training Now button. Open the button settings. Under the Content tab, open the Link section and on the button link URL, input the pop-up ID with a number sign. Save your settings. Save your page and exit the Visual Builder. Now, click on the element where you applied the pop-up and see if it works. That's it. You may play around with the design, or if you are an advanced user, you can work on the CSS code depending on your design. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.